Carl and Eric. G done. Lighting. Okay, we go on and next Nanjing GILE technology. Are you there?
Hello.
Hello. Week. Hello, Week. I'm Helen.
Yes, but let me check it. I need to open the video. Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I use the back of the camera? Can I use the back camera? I think.
Maybe you try. Oh, another handsome man.
No, they're not.
Yeah. Hello. I'm Helen. Nice to see you. Yeah.
But at first I want to use the back camera. So
okay, no problem.
Because can I start?
Yeah. From this, it's easy to show your products.
Yeah, I did. Our products is a lot of decoration lighting, so I just let the environment very dark. Maybe you cannot see my face very clear, but actually my face is not very important. Okay. So you can see the back of the back of in front of the back of my back is most of our lighting products, and mostly is made by the fiber optic. That is what we mainly do. At first, we just make it. We provide different fiber optic materials to the client as their special request. To make some lighting design as they request. From now, we still make some finished decoration products. That is what I want to show you today mainly, because I think most of the clients cannot understand what is a fiber optic as well. So I think you need to understand what we have, what it is useful. Our lighting is not very it's not very how to say commonly to say in the but it has been very popular in China now, but in the foreign countries some countries start to use it, but you cannot see it just like a spotlight or whatever. You cannot see it everywhere. But I believe if you're interested in our products, you can see you can try to use it. Okay, we only have 15 minutes, so I want to show it very quickly. This is a light-up panel, and we can make that all the patterns and lighting points here is made by the fiber optic. We can use the fiber optic to.
It's a touchable.
It is aluminum panel, which we
aluminum panel.
Kind of material to make the ceiling or the wall. So what we use is like you can see the back of it. What we use we made some fiber optic at the back of the panel and lift it on the panel, and we can use it to make the different effects like a star in front of my hand, or my hand is a star ceiling. You can see it. That is made by the fiber optic as well. And you can the client can order our panel just like that. We can make the finished panel and all the accessories, all the thing, everything we have finished on the back of it, and the client just need to connect it with the electric, and just turn it on. You can get a very wonderful, we call it a fiber optic star ceiling light, and by themselves. And so many clients like the DIY, so you can decorate their ceiling by themselves by our fiber optics. And I want to walk around actually. So I have a lot of things I want to show you.
Thank you.
And
this is the new product.
Yes, actually, our product is very brand new. It may be different from
maybe everything to me is
from the others. Yeah, yeah. This is made by the this is made by the fiber optic as well. And the patterns and all the patterns we can customize as for the client, such as the moon, the shooting stars, or the some five stars or global something like that. All the patterns can be made by the client, made by the client request, or we have, or of course we have some regular module as well.
And, regular model.
Yeah. Everything can make it the finished on the panel, and the client just order the very finished panel, then we can put it on the wall or put it on the ceilings, and to make a beautiful ceiling walls as a decoration. What we do is use the fiber optic to make a different decoration projects. That is what we do. Okay, and this is we call it fiber optic lighting panel. You just need to order our finished panel to get the different effect. And that is the panel. And here, this is made by the fiber optic. All everything here. This is the fiber optic as well. It dropped from the top, and it's just like a curtain, you can feel by hand. And actually, it's just the lighting, no electric, and so the kids you can touch it very safe as well. It is very popular. Yeah. It is very popular in the many Europe. Maybe they like to use it in the children's room, and let it so the children can play, touch it very safely.
Children's room decoration.
And here is the 3D.
The Buddhism.
The Buddha head, and this is actually the 3D effect which is made by lighting. See, and actually this is just a very small sample in my office, and we can make it very big, around 10 meter or 20 meters. 5 meter, 20 meter, whatever. We can make it very big as a big project. This one is very small, around 1.5, maybe not 1.2 meter high, such as that. But actually, everything we can make it by the fiber optic and as a 3D effect with a different pattern.
Very vivid.
As like a chandelier. And to hang it.
Very vivid.
Here is another application. This is another application for the fiber optic as well, and it is very easy to install it. Actually,
very easy.
It's very easy. The client they just want to. Can you show some settings? You know how to say it. You just need to hang the fiber from the ceiling and drop it just like that. And once the lighting is very safe to touch, and you can cut it. You can cut it by yourself. And actually, if you maybe think it is too long, you can cut it yourself. Cut it or twist it. It is very easy to do it by yourself. That is actually it is very popular in the China now, and we have a lot of application in the restaurant or in the pub, in the club, or in the some other environments. But most of it is used in some commercial lightings like that. Okay, and there are another. Yeah, okay. Here is
artist.
Okay, I can see the back of my. This is maybe I need to turn the light off because most of our things is a decoration lighting. The brightness maybe is not very strong of the brightness, but the effect is very special. It is hardly to find from the other factory. I can promise that. And you can see that it is a pattern or like a pictures or drawing, and we draw it on the fiber optic to make the real to make the river, the mountains, and like to
Very
customers
beautiful.
that something like that.
And
this is some actually just a very small part of our fiber optic lighting, because we only have 15 minutes, and that's maybe more 5 minutes, 10 minutes left. Okay, and
yeah, no problem. Yeah, because before this factory tour, I'm feel very curiosity for your products. As we know, we already have your picture and for our SNS to promote your goods. So we know your company before this factory tour. So from this factory tour, I learn a lot from your products. Yeah. Thank you.
Do you have time now, or is the time over?
Oh, no. You go on. You can go on. No problem.
Okay. Because you said it will be over at 4 o'clock, so I think if you want to see that. And apart from the fiber optic, actually we still have another business of the lightings. We still make some the LED projectors, LED projectors.
Oh, yeah.
Project the water wave projector. We call it.
Water wave.
We can make some different words or the patterns. We call the logo projector, and the words or the patterns. And this is the and we can see, we call it the glow worm projector to project the glow worm. Yes, there's some white small spots and running randomly. Just like a glow worm fly on the sky, just like that. And another effect is here. You can see the ceiling is like a blue sky. You see, sky.
You can see the skyline.
Back to the local projector. Just one projector can cover around 20 to 30 square meter. Yeah, just use the one projector. You can got a 20 square meter sky. It is very efficiency. Okay, and this is what I want to show you as well. It is another part of our business on lighting, but our mainly business is still on working on the fiber optic. That is what we do. Okay, maybe I can give you a full screen of our selling. This is a very small one. This is our selling, and we make selling on office as well. You can make it very big.
Yeah.
Okay, that is what I want to show you today, because I don't prepare too much.
Okay, but it's very interesting for me. Yeah, maybe also interesting for other customers. Cool with your video. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Helen.
Yeah, you're welcome. And most of your products, some is for the regular panel, and most of them maybe I think is for project. Is that right?
Yes, it can be customized, just like you say. The panel, the regular panel is just the black.
Black, okay.
Right, black. There are some lighting spot, but I don't turn it off. It's just like over my head is black, and we can customize as some patterns, just like a pictures you can hang it on the wall, and but it's not only pictures, but also can glowing, but also can emitting with very special lighting effect.
So if the product's custom, the cost will be which, or the cost will be high or not high?
Not high, actually.
Not high.
In China office, in China factory, you find a very high. We are not
a design factory, the design office or something. We just the factories to earn a lot of 10 to 20% profit. That is very honestly, just like that.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your work.
Nice to meet you, Helen.
I have learned a lot for your products. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Maybe have a chance to see you again in the fire, but I don't know
maybe
when
see you in a fair or see you maybe less online factory tour. Okay, no problem.
Yes, because of the delay, actually we have prepared a lot of brand new products on the fire, but I cannot show you here because we just put it on the factory. Actually, I have packed it all. I have prepared to attend the Guangzhou fire, but I was announced that it has delayed. So what a pity.
But today is a good news, and then no person. Today is 0, so maybe the good news will come sooner.
Yeah.
And welcome to welcome to see you in the fair, and maybe we will go to your booth and then to see your new products.
Me too.
Okay. Thank you.